Your doctor says lower your cholesterol, but here's what they are not telling you. Most people think cholesterol is the enemy. It is not. Your body makes about 80% of your cholesterol right in your liver, and only 20% comes from food. So ask yourself, why would my body make so much of something that's supposedly bad for me? Because cholesterol is essential for your survival. Cholesterol builds every single cell membrane in your body. It helps your body make hormones like estrogen, testosterone, helps your body produce vitamin D, protects you against inflammation, and helps you digest fats. So without cholesterol, you can't function, period. Now let's break down what most doctors consider good and bad cholesterol. HDL stands for high density lipoprotein, commonly known as good cholesterol. Think of HDL as the cleanup crew. It removes excess cholesterol from your arteries and carries it back to your liver to be recycled or eliminated. Higher HDL levels are associated with lower heart disease risk, therefore, it's considered protective. LDL stands for low density lipoprotein, often called bad cholesterol. But here's what most doctors won't explain: LDL isn't all bad. LDL's job is to deliver cholesterol from your liver to your tissues and organs where it's needed, such as your heart, your brain, your muscles, and your skin. Every cell in your body needs cholesterol to function, and LDL is like the delivery truck that gets it there. Now, this is what I need you to understand. The problem isn't how much LDL cholesterol you have, it's about what kind of LDL particles you have. The problem isn't how much LDL cholesterol you have, it's about what kind of LDL particles you have. There are two types: large, fluffy LDL particles that are too big to enter artery walls, so they're not considered dangerous. And then we have the small, dense LDL particles, which are tiny enough to squeeze into those artery walls, get oxidized, and trigger plaque buildup and inflammation. And here's the most important part your doctor might be leaving out. These dangerous small LDL particles aren't caused by dietary fat and cholesterol, such as eggs. They're driven by refined carbs and sugar. That's right. A diet high in processed carbs creates more of the particles that actually cause heart disease. Now, here's the problem with standard medical care. Most doctors only test your total cholesterol and total LDL. They're not testing particle size. Now, follow me here. You could have a high LDL, but if it's all large and fluffy, you're probably fine. You could have normal LDL, but if it's all small and dense, you're at risk. So the number alone does not tell the story. This is why the type matters. So when your doctor's only solution is to prescribe statins to lower your LDL number without addressing what's causing the small, dense LDL, you're actually removing your body's natural cholesterol delivery system without fixing the actual problem. This is why I created the Metabolic Reset Challenge, to teach you the truth about your body, how to reduce inflammation, heal your metabolism, and take back control of your health. So if you're tired of confusion and ready for real answers, come join me at the metabolicresetchallenge.com. I'll see you there.